Hey YouTube, what's going on? You're looking at the Safety First Clearview safety knobs for your stovetop. So what you do is you just take your knob off, pull this gas burner knob off, and of course when I'm one-handed it's a little bit tougher. Okay. You place your Safety First knob on there. And then replace the knob. Simply push your knob back on, snug it up, and then close the design. So our toddlers can spin these without activating the gas. And then if you need to cook, you just simply press and open, and you have access to your burners again, like such. And when you're done cooking, just close it back up, and they're all back to safety. So a set of 5 knob covers, $6.99 on Amazon right now. Check them out in the link below.